Welcome to a tutorial on how to run your first Python automated test on TestingBot. First, make sure you have Python installed on your system. If you have Python installed, make sure to install both these packages. Once these are installed, you can simply copy and paste the example code. Now we are ready to run the test. In a few seconds, you will see the test appear in the TestingBot dashboard. The test finished successfully. We can now click the test to see more details. You will see a video of the test together with the steps the test did.